Good morning, Tip Squad. It is early. Well, it's not super early. It's about 7:49. We had a pretty big storm that went by, so kind of let that pass before we got on the road. But I'm getting ready to take my longest ride down to Atlanta. Yes, I am gonna ride EJ down. Take my time, of course, and head on down there for the weekend for King of the South's anniversary. So I'm hoping I get to see and meet a lot of people. I've heard a lot of people are going. They've contacted me and told me they're going. So I'm hoping to see all my wonderful subscribers and my Instagram followers. I can't wait to meet all these people here. So let's get ready to get on the road. Got a couple stops to hit first, and then we'll get ready to get on the road. Let's mount up. It has been a pretty decent ride thus far. It is now 11:06. We officially got on the road after we made a pit stop about 8:45 or so. So we had just stopped at Columbia, South Carolina at the Harley dealer here. Gonna take a look around in here, take a bathroom break. Had to put some air in our tires. So we're trying to do that. It's a little low, not a whole lot, just a little. So putting some air in the tires, and then we're gonna go in here and kind of look around a little bit. Like I said, you take a bathroom break. As far as rain goes, we had some drizzle, but it really hadn't been like terrible rain. I'm not complaining at all. The roads hadn't been bad. Traffic, it's not that bad either. I'm not complaining because it can be a lot worse. It's flowing. The traffic is flowing. It's riding pretty good. So far, it's been a pretty good ride. I guess I'll check back in a little bit later. I'll let you guys know. I guess the next time I check in, I'll be getting something to eat. And then after that last stop of getting something to eat, then we'll take it on in to Conyers, Georgia. We're taking our time. So we're not in a rush at all. But it's definitely been a pretty decent ride. So, I'm going to show you guys the inside of this Harley dealer once I get in there too. Alright guys, time to head in, go check out, see what this dealer looks like in here. It's my first time in this one, so I'm gonna walk around for a little. Like I said, we're on no time frame. We're taking our time riding, so we got time to go in here and check things out. Let's go. Good. How are you doing? Awesome. It's nice in here, y'all. Look. You can stand in this window, watch your bike get serviced. It's pretty cool. It's the first one I saw like this. The workstation out. It's a nice little waiting area too. Pretty nice. Y'all know I gotta check the hats out while I'm in here. I got some nice ones in here, but I'm not gonna buy a hat out of here because I'm gonna visit the other one too. This color's nice. I don't have a blue one, but we're gonna check out the other ones too. I am gonna get a poker chip out of here before we leave. Oh, this is nice. I like this color. Carolina blue. The Carolinas. Welcome. But yeah, I'm just gonna get a poker chip out of here, and so we'll get ready. Get back on the road and keep on riding. Guys, every time I come to a new Harley store, I got to talk to everybody, got to introduce myself, and I meet new friends. So, look, don't be shy. Say hello to the camera. Tell us your name.
I'm Betty.
Hi, everybody tell Betty hi. Let Betty know she's going to be a superstar because she was on Tiffany Renee's YouTube channel, and she's going to be on YouTube, and everybody's going to come see her and buy some merchandise. So make sure y'all come check her out in Columbia, South Carolina, that is. And get you some Harley stuff. You can't go wrong with it, no matter what you buy. And if you want to get a bike, you can do that too, because you'll be part of the cool club. How about that? Yeah, you know I got to show my subscribers bikes off once I meet them and put them on camera. He's too shy. We're not going to put DeAndre on camera, but I said his name. So if you know him, make sure when y'all see him, be like, oh man, you famous now. So he's famous off camera, but this is his bike. It looks good. Look, he got his chrome clean. This is why I can't have chrome, because I ain't going to clean it. Looks good. And look, he's the first one to get a poker chip. So I do have poker chips, guys. So if you're subscribed to my channel, now the secret is out, and DeAndre was the first one to get a poker chip. Matter of fact, I need to show you what it looks like. Let's see. So if you see me in person, speak to me, say hello, and I have poker chips. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I can get you one.
Thank you.
Thank you. Y'all, I've had an awesome time. Look, I can't even talk already. I had an awesome time here at Thunder Tower, Harley Davidson in South Carolina, Columbia, that is. We've got some awesome free shirts, thanks to Zach. He is doing their marketing here, and he gave us some free t-shirts. We were going to speak with the owner, but he got kind of tied up. So definitely check them out, y'all. They have an amazing event that's going to be going on July the 23rd, that weekend. So if you're in town, close by, come check them out here in South Carolina, Columbia. And you won't be disappointed. So definitely come check them out. I've met a subscriber here. Like, it's been pretty awesome. So we're getting ready to mount back up, get ready to get back on the road, head towards Atlanta. Remember, guys, like this video. Make sure you leave your comments. I'm all for comments. I love you all. And share this video. Tip Squad, that's how we do it. Just stopped for the first gas fill up. We're almost there, about 2 more hours. Of course, you know I'm going to stop in front of the Georgia sign, or the rest there, whichever where. I'm going to take a picture in front of the sign. Get some good water. And kind of cool down a little. It's hot now. It warmed up a lot. So, had to come out of those gloves, some jacket, helmet, and everything for just a minute. Then I'll get ready to suit up, get back on the road here. It's hot out here. You guys can hear me. It's hot out here. It's been a pretty decent ride so far, though. Tip Squad, I have officially made it to my destination here in Georgia. Excuse my hair now. We ran into some traffic and we were pretty much stopped and slow rolling for about a good 15 minutes or so. So it was extremely hot, sweating pretty bad. So in the meantime, of course, I've made several little stops since I've been here, but I have officially made it to my stop. So make sure you guys like this video, comment, share it, and I will catch you guys on the next video. You know I have more coming, so I have a ton of footage that I plan on getting while I'm down here for the weekend. So, Tip Squad.